For months, all we've heard about AI is the doom and gloom, right? The threats, the replacements, the fear. Well, today, we're flipping that script entirely. We're going to break down the new blueprint for profiting from the AI revolution. It's time to move past the anxiety and get straight to the opportunity.
Let's just start with one number. It's almost hard to wrap your head around, actually. $15 trillion. You heard that right. To give you some perspective, that is bigger than the entire economy of China today. And that's the new value the AI economy is expected to create in just the next 10 years. We're not talking about a ripple here. This is a massive global tidal wave of cash, and it's about to change everything.
So when a wave that huge is headed your way, you've really only got two choices, don't you? You either learn to ride it, or you get completely wiped out. This isn't about some scary doomsday prediction anymore. This is about what might be the single biggest transfer of wealth in all of human history. And the only question that really matters is, which side of that transfer are you going to be on?
So, the big question is, where's the money, right? Where are the real opportunities for regular people? Those of us who aren't machine learning PhDs. Well, you might be surprised to hear that the first big one has nothing to do with complex coding. In fact, it's something way more human, way more creative.
Look, for decades, the high-paying tech jobs were all about one thing: coding. You had to know how to build the engine from scratch. But that's all changing, and it's changing fast. See, AI is getting so good at writing its own code that the most valuable skill isn't about building the engine anymore. It's about knowing how to steer it. We are talking about prompt engineering.
So what is a prompt engineer?
Honestly, the best way to think about it is like being a movie director for an AI. You're not the one writing every single line of code. No, you're the one giving the instructions, you're setting the scene, and you're guiding this incredibly powerful actor, the AI, to give you the absolute perfect performance. It's all about creative problem solving, not how many programming languages you know. It's about knowing exactly what to ask to unlock all that hidden potential. And listen, this isn't some theory about what might happen 10 years from now. This is happening right now. Just look at this job listing. This is from Anthropic, a huge AI lab that's backed by Google. Read it. They're not asking for a PhD in computer science. They are literally asking for strong creative skills and an ability to think outside the box. They're absolutely desperate for people who just know how to talk to an AI.
So what does that kind of desperation pay? How about over $300,000 a year just to start? Yeah, let that sink in. This is a high six-figure job that literally did not exist just a few years ago, and it pays you for your creativity, not for technical jargon. This, right here, is opportunity number one in the new AI economy. Okay, but being a great driver is only half the battle, right? You also need fuel for the car. And that brings us to the second huge opportunity. This is like the foundational layer of the entire industry. If prompt engineering is steering the car, this is the high-octane fuel. And honestly, it's a modern-day gold rush. You see, all of these incredible AI models, we're talking ChatGPT, Midjourney, all of them, they are completely and utterly useless without one critical ingredient: data. And not just any data. They need massive, massive amounts of clean, high-quality, human-verified data. They have to be trained, they have to be guided, and they have to be corrected by actual people. And what this has done is create this brand new global assembly line for something called data curation and labeling. You can think of it like being a digital gold prospector, sifting through data to find the valuable stuff. We're talking about simple but essential tasks like identifying stop signs in photos to train self-driving cars, or flagging nasty comments to make chatbots safer for everyone. And here's the absolute key. This job can't be automated away. Not yet, anyway. The AI needs that human touch. It needs our judgment, our understanding of context. And that is creating this huge wave of remote jobs from anywhere in the world that are totally essential for the future of AI.
All right, for our last one, let's talk about the one area everyone was sure was doomed: the creative world, right? The story we all heard was that AI was coming to kill jobs in art, in writing, in design. But what's actually happening out there? It's the complete opposite.
See, the real story isn't about replacement at all. It's about empowerment. It's about amplification. AI doesn't get rid of the creator. No way. It transforms a single creator into a one-person, full-blown production studio. Just one person with one good idea can now create things at a scale that was totally unimaginable just a couple of years ago.
This is basically the new math for the creator economy. Take one person, add a smart use of AI tools, ChatGPT for writing the perfect copy, Midjourney for stunning visuals, and what do you get? You get the output of an entire creative agency. One person. They can launch a whole brand, create all the marketing, design the products, build a community, and they can do it in days, not months. Welcome to the AI-first creator economy.
So what's the bottom line here? What's the big takeaway from all this? It's that it's time to completely shift your perspective. This technology isn't some monster to be afraid of. It's a powerful tool that's just waiting to be mastered. So you have a choice. You can sit on the sidelines, panicking about what might happen, or you can get in the game and claim your piece of the pie. These opportunities, they are not some distant future thing. They are here, right now. You could be the prompt engineer, literally shaping the future of AI. You could be the data curator, fueling the whole engine. Or you could be the AI-augmented creator, building a global empire straight from your laptop. The paths are laid out for you. The only thing left to decide is, which one will you master first?